Hi Knights! In this video, we will cover how to access and utilize the Conversations tool within Webcourses at UCF. This includes locating your inbox, filtering and managing your inbox, composing a new message, and replying to a message. You can access the Conversations tool by clicking Inbox on the global navigation menu on the left-hand side of any web page in Webcourses at UCF. Please note, the Conversations tool is not an email client. It is strictly for communication within Webcourses at UCF and uses its own vocabulary within the tool. For example, the word conversation is used to reference a thread of messages, while a message is an individual correspondence. Once you have opened your inbox, you can preview your messages on the left side of the screen. Click on one of the messages to read the full message. You can filter your messages by courses or groups by clicking on the drop-down menu at the top left part of the screen. You can even go back and read conversations from concluded courses. Please note, once a course has been concluded, you will only be able to message instructors or TAs in that course. You can also filter your messages by status by clicking the Inbox drop-down menu. Your options include Inbox, Unread, Starred, Sent, Archived, and Submission Comments. Submission comments are comments left by your instructor on graded assignments. Review the grades video for more information on submission comments. There are several icons on the top right side of the screen. The pencil icon is used to compose a new message. Use the single left curved arrow icon to reply to the sender. Use the double left curved arrow icon to reply to all. Use the downward arrow icon to archive a conversation. Archiving allows you to save messages, but remove them from your inbox. The trash can icon is used to delete a conversation. If you'd like to delete multiple messages, hold down the Control key on a Windows computer or the Command key on a Mac to select multiple messages. Then click the Delete button or hit the Delete key on your keyboard. The gear icon next to the trash can icon provides a drop-down menu with additional options, such as Mark as Unread, Forward, and Star. Star is used to mark important messages so they're easier to find later. When viewing a conversation, the reply and gear icons are to the far right of the page. Clicking the gear icon in the conversation window will allow you to access additional options, such as Reply All, Forward, Archive, Star, and Delete. At the top right, you will see a search bar where you can search for messages from certain users. To compose a new message, click on the pencil icon. A window will open with a drop-down menu that allows you to choose what course the conversation pertains to. Choose the course, then the recipients. You can also click on the avatar icon to the far right of the To text box to select from a list of users in the course. Add a subject for the conversation in the subject line, and add the content of the message in the text box below that. You can also attach files or media to your message. Click the paperclip icon or the media icon at the bottom left-hand corner of the Compose message window. If you want to send individual messages to each recipient, click the checkbox underneath the subject line. Hit the Send button to send your message or the Cancel button to discard your message. At the top of the message window, you can find the subject line, the users included in the message, and the course information. The date that the message was sent is in the top right corner. The main content of the message is underneath the users and course information. To reply to a message, open the message window and hit the single left curved arrow icon to reply only to the sender, or click the double left curved arrow icon to reply to everyone included in the conversation. Type your reply in the text box and click the Send button. Remember, utilizing the Conversations tool in your courses is a great way to stay in contact with your fellow students and your instructors. Use it frequently to succeed in your courses. If you'd like notifications sent to your Knights email when you've received a message in Webcourses at UCF, watch our profile and notifications video for directions on how to set that up. Thank you for watching this video on how to navigate the Conversations tool within Webcourses at UCF. If you have any questions, please contact Webcourses at UCF support for assistance. Charge on!